What's up, guys and girls? So I put up in a short that you don't want to miss this build. You definitely do not want to miss this build. This thing is going to be crazy. I can't tell you the specifics of it right now. All the parts have been ordered, they're on their way. Once they show up, I'm going to start doing this thing. What I can show you, this is the basis of what we're doing. Keep in mind, this thing is 4 feet long. This is going to be a gigantic build. It's going to take some time. I'm going to make a nice little build series out of it. Yeah, and I haven't done too many videos lately. A lot of shorts, a couple of running videos, but we're going to make all that change this year, definitely. This build is going to be one to watch. So if you like unique and odd and one of a kind, definitely keep an eye out for this one. Talk to you guys later.